welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm glad to have you here. So today's video is going to be about cleaning and organizing my fridge, and then also some of my food items too. So it's going to be a very deep clean on my refrigerator. The freezer didn't need it, it just had it. So today I am going to be, well, actually I already did. I forgot to film an intro, so I'm here. But anyway, going to be getting that clean, and it's so much better. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy today's video. So before we get into cleaning and organizing my refrigerator, I want to tell you about this 13-piece food storage container set from Lifewit. In this set, there are 4 different sizes: 1 tall container, 5 medium containers, 4 small containers, and 3 mini containers. These containers are airtight, and I love that. That's what I always look for when I get any kind of food storage containers. These containers are good for storing things like pasta, flour, sugar, nuts, beans, snacks, cookies, and the list goes on. These lids are a universal size, so all of them fit every single container, and they also have a removable seal so that you can wash it. The 4 concave grooves on the lid ensure that the lids are in place before the latches are snapped shut. The latches adopt an arc design for easy push and pull during opening and closing. The airtight design ensures everything inside stays fresh and dry. This set is made with high-quality food-grade plastic. It's BPA-free, and it does not contain any harmful substances. This set is also waterproof and heat-resistant, so you can put it in the microwave and the dishwasher. These containers are durable enough for long-lasting use and easy to stack and store when you're not using them. This set also comes with 16 reusable label stickers and an erasable marker, so you can switch contents whenever you need to. This way you don't confuse flour with powdered sugar or baking powder with baking soda, whatever the case may be. I could definitely see that happening to me, so I'm going to use some of the labels. You can also get this in a 24-piece set. I will have the link in the description box below if you would like to get some Lifewit storage containers. Thank you so much to Lifewit for working with me on today's video. I really do love these storage containers.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? let's do it all until the very end of my time. Oh, my love.
So all of the glass came out except for one piece. For some reason it was the only one glued in. I don't know if they were all originally glued in or if they weren't. I have no idea. But anyway, most of what you see there is sweet tea because the kids get their own sweet tea out of the jug that you saw in their fridge. Fridge. Did I just say that? I did. Out of the fridge. And they make a huge mess with it and I'm constantly wiping it up. If I did not fix those cherries, it would have just really irritated me, so redo. So cleaning out and organizing this refrigerator really just felt like a huge weight lifted off my shoulders for some reason. It just felt so nice to have such a clean refrigerator. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, a little bit of Jesus goes a long way. I will see you again soon. Bye.